Hola, buenos dias. We're back. Your two favorite senior influencers giving you everything you need to know but didn't know you needed to know it.
Today we're going to open our vault and share with you all our tips, tricks, and hacks on how to travel safe, smart, and on a budget.
We've had a lot of people who have asked us to do a video on specifically this subject matter because apparently all the things that we do when we travel that we think is just normal, it's life-altering advice for those of you who don't travel very often. In other words, all of the mistakes we've made along the path, I guess our pain is your gain.
In today's episode of our vacation travel tips, tricks, and hacks series, we're showing you how to save big on transportation from Los Cabos International Airport to both San Jose del Cabo and Cabo San Lucas. Depending on where you are going, normal costs range from $25 to $30 USD for a shared resort shuttle to quite often $120 USD for private shuttle. Want to save your money? We are going to show you how to change your course and travel like a local using the local Ruta del Desierto autobus and paying 100 pesos. That's $5 USD or less than approximately $8 Canadian.
Let's go!
Okay, let's go back. If you're arriving on an international flight, you'll likely land at Terminal 2. But here's the secret. The local bus only picks up at Terminal 1. Don't worry, it's just a short 5 to 10 minute walk. Sorry, did you catch that? Everyone exits out to the right. You do not. Head upstairs to the departures level and look for the well-marked yellow signs that say Parada de Autobus. Picture this. You just arrived in your favorite Mexican hotspot. Pick one. Cancun, Puerto Vallarta, doesn't matter. You exit into the very regulated transportation bay. Look around. Where are the locals? How do they get home? This should be your first question when avoiding tourist traps. If you don't see locals, then there must be another option, which is likely more affordable. Keep in mind that there may be many reasons why these options are created just for tourists. One may be for your own security. Two may be for your own perception of security. 3 may be because tourists are more willing to pay a higher price for the perception of their security. Do your own research and always do what makes you feel most comfortable. After all, it is your vacation. Exit through the north side doors and follow the sidewalk past the car rental booths and the OXXO convenience store. Gracias. ¿Telcel? ¿Telcel? Sí, sí. Sí.
A ver qué tienes con las... No necesito uno por una semana. ¿Cuántos minutos tiene? 150. Pues mira, usted tiene
This is normal to say 15, I think. 15, 15, 15. No, 15, sí.
¿Cuánto es? 150.
Ah.
Keep walking until you reach Terminal 1. Along the walk, you will see many signs identifying you are on the right path. Look for Parada de Autobus. In front of the terminal, look for the bus shelter and the purple and yellow buses. That's the Ruta del Desierto. These buses run every 10 to 30 minutes from 4:30 a.m. to 10 p.m.
So we arrived in Cabos. Just a little tip to help you guys out. If you are arriving, to help you look at the shuttles and anything that's picking you up right at the airport itself there, your arrival side. If you come down the ramp, just a little ways down, you can actually look here at a little bus stop. I would say maybe it's about a 6-minute walk. You can catch the actual local bus that will take you to downtown Cabos, like downtown Central.
It'll go to both tourist areas and anywhere down along that route. Anywhere down the desert highway, it'll stop.
Yeah, so it would save you a huge cost in paying that right upon the arrival area. If you like this tip, please hit like.
Go last because I gotta ask him how much. Yeah.
Around there, he said.
No tickets required. You can pay the driver directly in cash, either in pesos or US dollars. No cards accepted, so bring small bills as change is given in pesos.
Sorry. Santo. ¿Ah? 100. Gracias. Gracias.
Often, we are told, they are equipped with AC, Wi-Fi, and wheelchair access. This was not our experience, unfortunately.
Okay, so here we are in the bus. We're heading to Los Cabos? No, it's SJD San Lucas. And it is not for everyone. Let me tell you, we're saving money, so we're giving you the option to do this if you want to do it. I would do it a little bit different though. I think what I would do is put on shorts, and only if I'm carrying like one carry-on can I do this journey. Otherwise, you got everything here but the chickens.
No, I think I saw a chicken come in.
Did you see a chicken just
Maybe.
But it's hot. It's
Yeah.
really, really hot. And that apparently you get some buses that do have air conditioning. Fortunately, we didn't get that one. But if you were to ask me again, would you do it again this way? I would say yes, because if it's gonna save me $90 US, guess what? I'm gonna do it. above board. So we'll let you know later how it is.
Really? I'm going to take her word for it, I guess. My princess has come a long way, I think. I could tell you on the way back to the airport, we took the shared resort shuttle. Would I do it again? I'm not so sure myself. Especially because we also discovered that once you get outside of the airport, Ubers are also available at half of the price of a taxi. Depending on the time of day and traffic, about $50 USD. The point is, there are options, and that's what we aim to bring to you. If you're up for a little adventure and want to travel like the local, the Ruta del Desierto is a fantastic option. Expect about 30 minutes to San Jose and up to 90 minutes to Cabo San Lucas, depending on traffic and stops. The bus travels along the main highway with stops in San Jose del Cabo, the tourist corridor, and Cabo San Lucas.
If you have enjoyed this video or found it informative, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. By no means do we assume ourselves to be the authority on the info provided. These have been our experiences, and hopefully by sharing them with you, it assists you in your travels and questions. If something that we have said is incorrect or you have a differing opinion, or just something additional to add, please leave a comment. We welcome the added information. Also, please check out our other videos as we continue to explore Mexico and the Yucatan as we transition into our retirement years abroad. Thanks for watching.